Law of dominance. Mendel said that out of two contrasting characters in the progeny, only one character is expressed in the F1 generation. The character which is expressed in first generation, that is, tall, is called dominant character, while the character which is not expressed in first generation, that is, dwarf, is called recessive character. Law of segregation. Mendel said that before passing a character into next generation, the genes are first segregated or separated into gametes, which are then reunited to form a diploid zygote. Similarly, in his experiment, Mendel considered two characters of seed color, yellow, green, seed shape, round, wrinkled. Such cross which considers two characters at the same time are called dihybrid cross. In first generation, all the plants have round seeds with yellow color. So, round and yellow are dominant traits, while green and wrinkled are recessive traits. Activity. To confirm that the F2 generation did in fact have a 1:2:1 ratio of TT, TT and TT trait combinations, we will have to self-cross the F2 generation to produce F3 generation. In F3 generation, we find that pure tall, TT produces only tall plants, pure dwarfs, TT produce only dwarf plants, while hybrid tall, TT, produce offspring in 3:1 ratio, 3 tall and 1 dwarf. So we can conclude that tallness is dominant over dwarfness. Law of independent assortment. Each character is independently inherited in the next generation irrespective of the source of character in parent generation. Each gene set is present not as single thread of DNA but as independent pieces called chromosome. Thus, each cell has two copies of each chromosome, one each from male and female parent. Each germ cell or gamete will take one chromosome from each pair when two germ cells combine, ensuring stability of DNA of the species. How these traits get expressed? Each eukaryotic cell contains chromosomes which are long thread made up of DNA. DNA carries a code which instructs the cell about which character is to be expressed in the next generation. A part of DNA which codes for a single character is called a gene. Each cell has two copies of each chromosome, one from father and one from mother. Each gamete will take up one chromosome from the parent. When two chromosomes combine, total number of characters in next generation remains constant, thus ensuring the stability of DNA.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.